Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I am on a roll filming. This is my third video today. And usually I don't have this much to show you, but apparently I was doing some shopping, including Stitch Fix, Front Door Fashion, Outfit of the Week, and now a miscellaneous haul. So what do I have for you here today? So first up, White House Black Market sent me, I guess, like a reward, so I felt compelled to use it. I ended up getting one of these Forme, I don't know if they're called Forme or Forme, F-O-R-M-E tops. I got it in this really pretty light blue color. It is a cap sleeve style with the square neck. I love light blue, and I realized I just don't have a lot in my wardrobe, but I'm hoping all these light blues, because I got quite a few here, go with the light blue moto that I have. We'll see. I probably won't keep everything. This I got in my regular extra small, and I had seen it in store, and I was debating, do I size up on this or not? I am not sure. So we'll try this on, see how this looks. Ordinarily, this is the Forme, F-O-R-M-E. I don't know, again, if it's Forme or Forme. Square neck, top, originally $46.50. Like I said, I had a reward, so I got it for $26.50, okay? Next items are from Loft. Let's see if I have prices on here. Yes, I do. Okay. I think I got 30% off is one of the Loft sales. So the first thing I got is this light eggshell, they're calling this, and it's more like a periwinkle. The Eyelet sleeve mixed media sweater. So this is a sweater with eyelet sleeves. Oh, how pretty. I'm like, oh, how pretty. So you know this is probably going to stay with me unless it looks pretty funny. It does have a crew neck, which, as I said before, not my favorite neckline, but with the sleeves that might overrule that. Light eggshell is the color, and it is $48.96 was my price. The next thing that I got from Loft, they're calling this color, it looks to me like, oh no, this is final sale, and I did not realize it. Pensive blue. I did not realize this is final sale. $15.95. So I guess I'm keeping this. Oh, okay, not bad. So it's a turtleneck and it's ribbed. And yeah, okay. So I think I can, you know, this is different than the others, and I think I can make some use of this. So this isn't so horrible. So it's just a ribbed turtleneck in the color pensive blue. All right, so I'll try that on and try and style it for you guys. Then the last thing that I got, because Macy sent me star rewards for about $20, and you know that I couldn't leave that on the table. And I had a pair of silver shoes at one time. There were bandolinos, there were wedges, peep toes. They were cute, but they had it, and plus they weren't all that comfortable. Some of the silver fell off, so it was time to retire them. And I said, you know, I kind of want another pair of silver shoes that I can wear, I wouldn't say casually, but with jeans, okay? So make my jeans look a little bit more elevated. So I went on Macy's website, I saw these, and they're by bar 3, and with my rewards, I got them for like $24, I think. So they have this kind of cool triangular block heel, but I can tell you the rhinestones on the heel, I don't know if you can see the inside of the heel, it's not like perfect where the rhinestones are. So I'm not so sure about that. I don't know if they're gonna fall off or what. I was like reading the reviews on this, and some people said that the shoes were comfortable, but this strap back here was too big. I'm looking at it and looking at where the strap ends, and it ends before the heel. To me, it looks like it's gonna be too small. I don't know. We'll try them on, see how they do, and worst comes to worst, I have to return them. All right, give me a few minutes. I'm going to start styling these items for you. Okay, first up is this final sale turtleneck, ribbed turtleneck top. If I had known if this was on final sale, I probably would not have ordered it, because I like to buy things and see how they're going to mesh with my wardrobe. It's a solid top. I can use it, but I wouldn't have purchased it unless it went with my light blue moto, and it does not. It kind of looks kind of funny because this is more of a purpley kind of blue, and mine is more a lighter blue with a little bit more, I guess, aqua to it than this. So it looked a little strange. So I said, okay, let me take the easiest way out. Let me just keep on the same jeans I had on, my mother jeans. Let me turn the camera down so you can see my bottom part of me better. I'm wearing the same ivory loafers I was wearing, and then I just put on my ivory blazer, which is kind of neglected since I never leave the house. I rarely wear blazers, but yeah, I mean, this is a cute put together look. Nothing wrong with the top. It's just nothing that I really adds to my wardrobe, so I'm kind of bummed I didn't notice that it was on final sale, but we will use it and put it to good use. It's a good layering top, and I could possibly wear it under some lighter colored sweaters as well too when it gets really cold out. All right, give me a minute and I'll style the next item. Up next is this adorable Loft sweater. I will give you the links below if you're interested in any of these items. This sweater is 100% cotton to boot. I think it's an adorable spring sweater. So it has, you know, the eyelet sleeve detail here, rib cuffs. It's a half sleeve, not a full sleeve, so it's only going to the elbow. Puff sleeves on top, adorable. Doesn't go with my light blue moto. That said, I would have kept this anyway because the sleeve detail, I wouldn't want to wear under the light blue moto anyway. So this is so cute. I would call this more of a periwinkle blue. In order to make this not too boring for you, I switched out my bottoms. I'm wearing my Ivory White House Black Market, what are these called? Cargo pants from a few years ago. I kept the same ivory loafers on because honestly, that's what I would wear with this. I don't have much in the way with ivory, and I really consider this a really great spring look. So I think come April, I'll be wearing this. March, probably not, a little still chilly here, but this is really, really cute. So I'm very happy with this find. So that made up for the $15 turtleneck that I don't want. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna try on the Forme top. Okay, so I now have the White House Black Market top on and the shoes on and the moto that I was expecting to wear with the top. If you're not 100% confident of yourself, in these Forme tops, size up. These are tight. These are really form-fitting. And when I was looking at it in the store, I was like, I know the material's the clingy type of material, but this is pretty tight across my chest too as well. So I'm gonna look back at the footage and see how it looks with the moto. If it looks great with the moto, I'll keep it, but I don't think it does right now. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage, but you guys tell me, what are you guys seeing in the camera? Do you like it or not? I also got on the silver shoes, and these kind of hurt my feet, and I don't see myself pulling for them. I also think, I do want silver shoes, but these might be a little much, you know? These are like a real looking, like a dressy shoe, and I think it kind of looks a little strange with this outfit. So I am going to be returning the shoes for sure, possibly returning this top, and I lose my rewards. It's okay. I'd rather not spend the money on something I just won't pull for. So that is the last item I have. Again, I'm gonna look back at the footage. If the top matches and looks good with the moto, I might keep it, but if not, that's okay. I'll return it. And that is it for today's haul. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? You're gonna see a lot of content because apparently I can't stop shopping. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified future videos from me. Take care until next time.